Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. So this was the question asked in GATE 2017. We have asked that what will the output if this print xy11 is called. So this is our stack. Now we are going to call our print xy11. Okay. So let's see what will be the output of it. These are the values that will be copied in x and y. So x and y will be 1 1 because we are passing 1 1 in here, and after that we are taking a integer pointer. So integer pointer is this. So now what is happening in here, we are changing our x to 0. Okay, so this x is updated to 0 now. And what is happening in ptr is storing the address of x. So we have assumed that address of x is 1000, and that's why ptr is storing the 1000. Now what we are going to do, we are updating our y value. So what is the meaning of ptr means 1000, and asterisk ptr means the value that is stored in the place of 1000, that is 0. Okay, so that value will be copied in the y. And what is happening in here, we are accessing the value that is pointed by ptr, that is value of x, and we are updating it to 1. Okay, now we are going to print the value of x and y. So what is the value of x, that is 1, and value of y, that is 0. Okay, so what will be output of it? 1 0 will be the output of it. So this C is the correct option of it. So C is the correct option. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.